Ahead of the 2024 parliamentary elections, the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) has announced its support for Lok Sabha candidate from the Naga People's Front (NPF) in Manipur's outer constituency. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh expressed his satisfaction with the decision, attributing it to the directives of BJP's national president J.P. Nadda. Despite speculations about his potential candidacy, Singh declined to contest in the Lok Sabha polls. Sources close to ELITETV disclosed that while the central government initially considered filing Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, he opted out of the race. Instead, the BJP is contemplating nominating either incumbent MP RK Ranjan Singh or MLA RK Imo Singh, the son-in-law of the Chief Minister, for the inner Manipur constituency. For the outer Manipur constituency, the NPF has announced Kachui Timothy Zimig as its candidate, succeeding the current parliamentarian Dr. Lorho as Professor. Jimik, a retired Indian Revenue Service (IRS) officer, is set to contest under the NPF banner following the announcement of the party's Central Working Committee on March 20th. Meanwhile, BJP's national spokesperson Sambit Patra, in a statement on X, reiterated the party's support for NPF candidates not only in Manipur but also for NPP candidates in Meghalaya and anti-PP candidates in Nagaland for the upcoming elections.